Accessing the cross-reference tool is a breeze from the homepage of the Appleton website. It's conveniently located in the header at the top of the web page. Simply click on the black bar, and a menu will drop down with a variety of helpful information. Click on the text Cross-Reference. Now, let's walk you through a quick example of how a manual cross-reference looks. Remember, this process is ideal for cross-referencing less than 10 part numbers. The 3 steps are as follows. 1. Enter the competitor's catalog number in the search box. 2. If you have more than one part number, you must separate each part number with a comma. 3. Click the green Go button, and the system will process your inquiry. Now, let's walk you through the bulk upload process. Again, you should use this option if you prefer working with an Excel spreadsheet, or if you're working with more than 10 part numbers that you need to cross. 1. Prepare a simple spreadsheet of competitor catalog numbers. List them all in column A, starting with cell A1. 2. Click on Choose File and select your spreadsheet, then press Click to Upload File. 3. You'll see a message come up after the cross-referencing of the list is complete. If you click on the link, it will download the processed spreadsheet. The wildcard search is one of the tool's most resourceful, yet often overlooked features. To engage the wildcard search, simply add a percentage sign at the beginning and end of the desired part number. Remember not to add spaces between the percentage sign and the part number. Once you've added the percentage signs, click Go. We'll run through a simple example for a ceiling fitting. If you search the partial part number EYS for ceiling fittings, the system will return no result because it's looking for an exact match where there is none because the part number is incomplete. However, if you add the percent sign at the beginning and end of EYS and click Go, you'll notice a comprehensive list of options that will immediately populate. You'll obviously need to figure out the right size and material for the application, but hopefully you understand how this helps open up your search results in the event the system doesn't provide you with a desirable output.